Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. The disclaimer for this podcast is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Let's look into Nifty's daily chart to understand the market behavior and to gauge the market going forward. For the last 3 to 4 months, you can see Nifty has been in a very good uptrend. From 16,800, it formed a bottom and then it moved higher and higher. And along with 21 DMA acted as a very good support for the index when it moved higher. You can see on 3 to 4 sessions, it found good support at the 21 DMA. So going forward, this level, that is 21 DMA, is going to be a crucial level for the index. Also, if you look at in a more near-term area, that is in the last 1 week, you can see Nifty also found good buying. And on Thursday, especially if you look at this candle, Nifty almost touched 20,000, which is a very it didn't touch 20,000, but it almost went near 20,000 level. So it is a very positive step. And this Nifty at 20,000, nobody expected when Nifty was trading at 7,500 during COVID. Within a short period of 3 years, this turnaround almost from 7,500 to 20,000 is an unexpected thing. And most of the investors who have invested into the markets have made lots of money during this rally. So on Friday session, there was some profit booking happened, and Nifty closed in the uh, lower half of the trading session, and we considered the Friday session as a distribution day because fall was more than 0.2%, and the volume was also higher than the Thursday session. So currently distribution day count is at 2. There is no much cautiousness in the market, but we'll be tracking weakness in the market with the help of distribution days. When the distribution day count increases further to 3 to 4 or 5, and if it breaches its 21 DMA, then we'll change the market status to on trend under pressure. Until then, we'll continue to stay in a confirmed uptrend where we are looking for strong breakouts. In the current market, we are seeing lots of breakouts happening, and which are also giving good amount of returns. Uh, Already we have good number of stocks in our portfolio, so we will be looking for only strong breakouts. And if there is any weak stock in our portfolio, we'll exit those stocks as well from portfolio. In the today, coming to the results and news front, Reliance, a major biggest company in India in terms of market cap, has come up with their numbers for the June quarter during the weekend. The revenue for the quarter fell 0.45% to 2.31 trillion rupees, where profit on the other front has declined almost 6% year-on-year basis to 18,250 crores. So Reliance will definitely will be under radar in the today's trading session, being a heavyweight stock in the index. If the market participants take this results in a positive step, then there will be good amount of rally. And if the participants take it in a negative way, that is investors, if they are not liking the results, then there will be some selling happening in the stock as well. So we never know what can happen in the market. So please be watchful. There might be some volatile action in the market in the today's trading session. Another a leading bank, ICICI Bank, leading private sector bank in India, has come up with their numbers for the June quarter. Net interest income for the quarter increased 38% year-on-year basis to 18,000 crores. Net interest income is the difference between interest the bank earning and minus the interest it has paid to the deposits and other other instruments. So, which is a very key parameter for the banking space, NII, shortly called as, and net interest margin, another key parameter for the banking space. For the company has improved 77 BPS basis points to 4.78. Profit on the other front increased in line with the NIA, almost 40% to 9,600 crores. So on the outside, the numbers are looking very good. Let's see how the market reacts towards the results. Kotak Bank, another major private sector bank in India, has come up with their numbers. Net interest income for the bank increased 32.7% in annual basis to 6,200 crores of rupees. A profit on the other front increased more than 66% to 3,400 crores. So both the banks have come up with their numbers. Other few banks, S Bank, RBL Bank has also come up with their numbers during the weekend. So Nifty Bank, which will be definitely under radar today. We'll see lots of volume coming to the Nifty, especially banking space, because most of the banks came up with their numbers over during the weekend. Arvind, the pharma, a leading pharmaceutical company in the country, US FDA has conducted an inspection of the unit in Telangana during last week. And the FDA, that is US FDA, has come up with the three observations, and they have issued a form 483. The company has said these observations are procedural in nature. So again, this company will also be in a radar today. Coming to the today's results, again we are seeing lots of financial companies coming up with their numbers. IDI Bank, Jammu and Kashmir Bank, PNB Housing Finance, Canara Bank, Spandana, Spurti, and other companies will be reporting their numbers. Apart from the banking space, we have Tata Steel, SRF, TVS Motors among the major companies which will be reporting, and there are other small cap and mid cap companies coming with their results. So if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful for your positions because there might be some volatile action in these stocks. On Friday night, US market closed almost flat. You can see with a positive bias. Nasdaq closing 0.2% higher, but Dow Jones and S&P closed almost flat. Asia markets in the today's session, they are trading in the positive territory. Shanghai is trading on a flat basis, but Nikkei and Kospi are trading in a good amount of gains. GIFT Nifty is also indicating a muted opening for the index. 90,750 is the level where Nifty closed on Friday. So 10 points here and there we might see opening, and the results will definitely drive the market either upwards or downwards. Let's see how the market goes on in the today's trading session. For the chart of the day, we picked Dawat. Actually, it is an extended stock currently after breaking out from pivot around 138. From there, the stock has rallied, and you can see the amount of gains the stock has given. It almost more than 21% to in just 26 trading sessions, and the volume is also very good during this upward momentum. The volume is also on the higher side, a very constructive side. Actually we kept this stock in our buy watch list. We wanted to take a position, but we are already having good amount of stocks in portfolio. We didn't add it to portfolio. You can see the ratings wise, the stock was looking very good, and the number of funds also increased consistently in the last 4 quarters. Price volume action is also very strong. So if you have this stock in your portfolio, you can continue to hold it, and it is also advised to trim a little positions depending on the price volume action. If the stock falls from highs, definitely you can consider booking partial profits in the stock. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.